Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to track order on Best Buy. To track order on Best Buy, first of all, open any web browser on your mobile phone. I am using Google Chrome here. Now on the search bar, just simply search for this www.bestbuy.com and then you will be taken to Best Buy website. Tap on the first one. Now tap on the three lines near Best Buy on the left side. Then here you can see order status on the account. Tap on order status. Then now here you can see your purchases and the order status. Now when you scroll down, you can see you can check your order status, shipping, delivery and store pickup. You can also check your returns and excess changes. Now tap on this, check your order status, and then on the top you can see search by product name or product code. You can tap on the search by product name or code and enter the product name or code. Or you can also search by the timeline by tapping on this given time. You can choose the time which you have made the purchase. With that, you will be able to check the order status and track the order. This is how we can track order on Best Buy. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.